Chapter 3, Section 4 is over dividing decimals, and the main idea here is to divide decimals. We're going to divide a decimal by a whole number. So 23.8 divided by 7 would look like this. 7 goes on the outside, 23.8 goes on the inside. And you're going to place the decimal point directly above the decimal point in the dividend. And then you're going to divide as with whole numbers. So you'll just divide it out. 7 will go into 23 3 times. 3 times 7 is 21. Subtract that. The 2 comes down. Bring the 8 down. 7 will go into 28 4 times. 4 times 7 is 28. And that equals 0. And your decimal place is right above the decimal place in the dividend. So your answer is 3.4. On example 2, it says a straight section of Mr. Williams' model train track is 5.44 meters long. If the section is made up of 4 equal pieces, how long will each piece be? Or how long is each piece? So you're going to divide 4 into 5.44. And here, they brought the decimal place there, so the decimal place goes right above it. So you're going to divide 4 into 5 would be, go one time. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract 5 from 4, and that's 1. Bring the 4 down. Then you're going to go 4 will go into 14 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12. Subtract that, that's 2. Bring that 4 down. And then 4 will go into 24 6 times. 6 times 4 is 24, and that equals 0. So each piece is 1.36 meters long. Now we're going to divide a decimal by a decimal. And on this one, you're going to have to find 13.68 divided by 5.7, and that's the end of the sentence there. So it's 5.7. We're going to change 5.7 because we're going to multiply it by 10 and make it a whole number. If we do that, we have to do it to the 13.68 as well. That would become the 136.8. So we're pretty much moving the decimal one place here and one place here. So you're going to divide 57 into 136.8. 57 will go into 136 2 times. 2 times 57 is 114. Subtract that, that comes to 22. You're going to bring the 8 down. 57 will go into 228 4 times. 4 times 57 is 228. Just remember that whenever you move the decimal place on one, you have to do it to the other. And that is how you divide by using decimals and divide a decimal by a decimal.